forward. And when I was talking about friendships, one very important segment that all of y'all, even the second year guys, they just disappeared. About friendships. Yeah.
Okay, I'm from batch of 1988. So we had about 14 guys in our batch, in our dorm. Okay, out of that, 13 are still around. We meet at least 1 year, 1.5 years across different parts of the world. So we have met in Singapore, we have met in Lakshadweep, before Lakshadweep became famous. We met at Sikkim, we met at many other places. Every 2 years, it's practically a religion sort of for us that we have to meet. And we keep on doing that very often. These friends